Hey guys, what's up? In this video today I'm show you guys how to make HTML Android app on Android. First opinion, download 2 Android app. 1. Webmaster. 2. Droid Script. Download 2 app in Google Play Store. So let's get start. First, open Droid Script and create new project. I'm creating sample app. Click New Project, and enter app name, and select HTML. And now click OK button. Minimize Droid Script, and open File Manager. Search Droid Script folder and see your app name folder. Open the folder, and now click HTML file. Choose Webmaster. Enter the HTML code. Less than. Doc type HTML greater than. Less than HTML greater than. Less than head greater than. Less than title greater than title greater than. Less than, head greater than. Less than body greater than. Less than, body greater than. Less than, HTML greater than. This is basic HTML code. Less than center greater than, click the button and open another screen. Less than center greater than less than per hour 1 greater than less than font greater than less than center greater than ahref equals another screen.html greater than less than button type equals submit greater than another screen less than button greater than a greater than center. Tap phone back button and save the file. After save the file, long press HTML file and copy HTML file. And paste. Rename HTML file name. After rename second HTML file. Open first HTML file. And enter the code. Less than ahref equals another screen.html greater than. Save first HTML file. And open second HTML file. And edit second HTML file. Enter code is less than h1 greater than center greater than font color equals blue greater than YouTube world best video posting network less than font greater than center greater than per hour 1 greater than. Save second HTML file. And open first HTML file. Run HTML. Open Droid script and run your HTML application. Sorry guys, please re-edit first and second HTML file. Enter HTML font tag. Less than font color equals blue, greater than less than, font greater than. See guys, app is created. Click the button and open another screen. Please guys wait next video. How to build Android app on Android device. Thanks for watch my video. If you like this video, will give subscribe our channel get more latest updates. Subscribe to this channel and watch next Android application development tutorial.